Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to transform mesh. Let's begin! Let's start! Moving, rotating, and resizing the mesh is similar to manipulating objects. Select the mesh you want to change in edit mode, and select Move on the toolbar to display the gizmo. You can move the mesh freely by dragging it with the mouse. You can also rotate the mesh by selecting Rotate on the toolbar. You can scale the mesh by selecting Scale on the toolbar. Next, let's transform the object into a sphere. With all objects selected, by pressing A on your keyboard, click the Mesh button at the top left of the 3D view. Then click Transform to Sphere. By moving the mouse, you can transform the object into a sphere like this. You can transform it into a sphere in the same way with the To-Sphere tool on the toolbar. Next, try deforming the object by shearing. With all objects selected, click the Mesh button. Then click Transform Shear. You can transform the object like this by moving the mouse. Shearing can be done in the same way with the Shear tool on the toolbar. Next, let's transform the object by randomizing. You can transform an object in this way by clicking the Mesh button with all the objects selected and clicking Transform Randomize. Randomization can be done in the same way with the Randomize tool on the toolbar. Next, try transforming the object by smoothing. With all objects selected, select the Smooth tool on the toolbar. You can smooth the object like this by dragging the yellow point with the mouse. Next, try deforming the object by shrinking and fattening. With all objects selected, click the Mesh button. Then click Transform, Shrink, Fatten. You can transform the object like this by moving the mouse. Shrink, Fatten can be done in the same way with the Shrink, Fatten tool on the toolbar. Next, try to transform by pushing, pulling the object. With the face of the object selected, click the Mesh button. Then click Transform, Push, or Pull. You can transform the face like this by moving the mouse. Push or pull can be done in the same way with the Push-Pull tool on the toolbar. This is the end of the lecture on how to transform mesh. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.